Senior equity home loans could be an opportunity to bolster your retirement funds and live a more financially secure life as you get older. First, it's important to understand what a home equity loan is. Imagine that you own a property worth 200 grand with an outstanding mortgage of 90 grand. Subtract the mortgage from the value of your home and then you have 110 grand in home equity. This equity, simply put, is a portion of your home that you fully own, debt-free. A home equity loan, therefore, allows you to borrow against this equity. But remember, this is a separate debt from your mortgage, and if you default on your repayments, your home could be at risk. Now for seniors. Obtaining a traditional home equity loan can be tricky, but don't worry. If you're over 55, own your home and have no outstanding mortgage, you can access some of your home equity through equity release schemes, also known as equity unlock loans for seniors. Let's talk about your two primary options, lifetime mortgages and home reversion plans. With a lifetime mortgage, you can unlock up to 60% of your home equity, either as a lump sum or as regular payments. Interest accumulates over time but isn't repaid until your home's sold, although it can potentially increase the debt owed significantly over time, hence reducing any inheritance that you wish to pass on. Alternatively, home reversion plans involve selling a portion of your property to the lender from the get-go. While there's no interest, you might end up parting with a larger share of your property's value when sold. Despite these considerations, these schemes offer some enticing benefits. The release money is tax-free, it can serve as regular income, you can spend it as you wish, you can continue to live in your home rent-free and can't be evicted for common reasons. There are no mandatory repayments, so voluntary ones can help keep the debt lower. Always make sure that you're dealing with lenders regulated by the FCA, that's a Financial Conduct Authority, and preferably members of the Equity Release Council, sometimes called ERC for short. This membership body sets out rules to protect senior homeowners, such as a negative equity guarantee. This promise ensures that you never owe more than what your home sells for. In essence, equity release can be a viable option for seniors needing a financial boost, especially those aged 55 and above. But as finance guru Martin Lewis suggests, try to release equity as late as possible. Keep an eye out as well, since new products are continually emerging for those under 55 years. Just because it isn't possible to get an equity loan now under 55 doesn't mean that things won't change in the near future. Don't forget to engage a financial advisor who can guide you through this process and find suitable deals for you. But be mindful of their fees, which can reach up to 3% of your loan value. Remember, your home is potentially a goldmine in your retirement years. With the right steps, you can turn this into a comfortable and stress-free time. If you are interested in seeing if you could release equity, simply click the link below and fill out the short form. It contains a few questions like your property value and date of birth, and it'll give you access to quotes tailored to your circumstance. It's totally free to fill out, and of course it's not going to affect your credit score. Click the link below and fill in the short form to try it out.